Hi guys, welcome to the video of today. So this video for today was highly requested by lots of people and especially by Riwo. She wanted a video dedicated to her opening her present. So basically we're going to have a present video. So this video is just going to be filled with us opening and unboxing a couple of presents that she got for her 10th birthday. You guys, this video was by Riwo and for Riwo, and so she's going to be in the comment section. So whatever it is you want to tell her, please let her know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for all the love and on all the previous videos. I truly appreciate you guys, and let us get into the video of today. On my skin. You're confused. Today is not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. See, going out with children should be like a form of extreme sport. But I'm here, you know, when you have eaten, I just want to go and sleep. Like that's the plan. To see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny.
Hey guys,
welcome back to
our channel.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. My name is Fummeee, and today we have a special guest in the house. Who is this?
Hey guys, my name is Riwo.
And today we're going to be doing her unboxing of her gifts. As you know, Riwo turned 10 and she had like a 10th birthday a few days ago. Before her birthday, she had like a long list of the things that she wanted for her birthday. What was the list? So let's start with the list. Yeah, sure now. So the first thing on the list was a birthday party. Then what else?
A tablet.
Then a tablet. So she wanted a tab, a party, a gift from all her aunties and uncles, and what else?
A robe, that's all.
And a robe. So that's all she wanted. So now we're going to be doing an unboxing to see the things that she got for her 10th birthday. Let's start with this. So this was from Auntie Rookie and Young Chief. So they got her a bow. This is so pretty. What do you think?
I love it.
Oh, they got her different types of bows. These are so nice. Wow. So there's a black one, this one, and then this set of bows. Very nice. So they came for her birthday party, and this was what they got her. I absolutely love it. So that's gift number 1. Which one should we go to? Let's go to this one. So this one from my friend Alero. And let's see, what did Alero get you? Ooh, she got you a set of hangers.
And then a headband.
And the headband. I like this headband.
Do I have to share my hangers with anybody?
Yes, you have to share your hangers with your sister. Ooh.
I can't see it, so...
It looks nice.
Okay.
So she got her this. It's very nice. Thank you so much, Auntie Alero. Oh yeah, guess who it's from?
Grandma.
Grandma, no. This is from Auntie Shade.
Okay.
So you want to see what she got? Alright. She got you a robe. Why are you smiling? It'll be my size though.
What? No.
You want to try it?
Yes.
What do you think?
I'm never taking it off.
So Auntie Shade got her a robe. Wow. People won't get Auntie. This one. This one's from who?
Auntie Paola.
Auntie Joyce. That's my friend. Her name is Joyce, aka Jolly Chick. So she got her this. Ooh.
Fluffy.
And this. Very nice. Like a smiley strawberry. So thank you, Auntie Joyce. We love it.
We love it.
But Auntie Joyce got her a lot of gifts actually. Oh, this is a puppet. So this was from there's a lady that I know that sells computer things, where we got her one of her gifts. Very nice, and it's rainbow.
And you can move this anywhere. To the top to be a horn.
Which?
Or the bottom to be a tail.
Oh, okay. The this thing. Okay, the kitchen. I can probably take this kitchen so it will be for me. Let's move on. Moving on, so she got her tablet. So are you excited?
Yeah.
So we got her the tablet that she wanted. Fire HD8
Kids Pro.
Kids Pro Amazon tab. Because she wanted the tab, so excited. I love the color. It's still like unicorn themed. She likes like unicorns and rainbows. Not rainbows, she likes unicorns. So, and purple. So that's why everything was like purple themed. Purple and pinkish is her color.
Pinkish.
Take this one. So grandma got her purse. It's a very pretty purse actually. Let me show the people. Let me show people up close and personal. So this is the purse. That's what it looks like. So nice. Yay! The wooden one.
Yes.
Oh, it's very nice. So other grandma got her Scrabble because she loves to play with words and things like that. So I'm sure that's why she got her Scrabble. So opening one. A shame. Anyway, so more books from our grandma. Let's see, what book is that? Yeah, Ben Carson. So she has read the first Ben Carson book, and then she got her this book as well, and then Lord of the Flies. Sorry, then Purple Hibiscus. Where's the other one? Then The Great Expectation. Is there another book?
No.
So she got her all these books. Thank you, Grandma. What's this one? Ooh! Headphones! So she has been asking for headphones. Wow. And she got her the white. Amazing. So I'll show you guys. Up close and personal. So this was from my friend Joyce as well. Wow. Auntie Joyce. There's only one Auntie Joyce. Thank you.
Thank you.
So now you have headphones for your tab. Wow. This is so nice.
We need to check it out though.
We need to check it out, right? Aisha will not take it.
Yes. It's
I should
mine.
take it, Abby.
No!
Yes, now. Let me try. Let's test it. Fly me to the moon. Let me spray
The time's over.
the stars.
I only want one leg.
So you're happy now, you have headphones and it's white. Matches your yellow robe. Wow, bro. It's a baby girl. This is your birthday. Your enjoyment is plenty. Everybody needs to turn 10. It's not every day you turn 10, Abby. Okay, so let's open the next one.
This one and the one from the birthday as well.
Okay, so let's open this one. So this one was from her dad and me. Both of us. This one we got her. Let me show you the wrapping. Very cute and pretty.
And pinky.
And pinky. And balloony. Okay, so let's open it. Open it by yourself.
Hey, what's inside? Wow.
What is it?
Study Bible for.
So we got her first Bible. Open it, son.
Oh wow. I love this color.
You love the color, Abby?
Yes.
Your color is very nice. Let's show the people the Bible. This is her first study Bible. I love the colors.
What's a study Bible?
So like you have to read it every day. So Riwo got a party pack for her birthday. I gave her one of the party packs.
Well, I was inside.
What's this one?
Wristwatch.
Well, actually, there's one more gift. We forgot to open some because it's very tiny
And cute.
and cute. Ooh, it's in a bag. Oh yeah. Bring it out so we'll see. Yay!
Wristwatch.
Your first wristwatch. So her grandma got her a wristwatch, her first wristwatch. Very nice.
Wow.
Yeah, so let's the name of her business. But like I ordered it on Wednesday, it got here on Friday. I was surprised. Like I ordered, paid like Wednesday evening. She did everything, sent it on Wednesday, and then it got here on Friday for the party on Saturday. Like I was so impressed. Customer service, everything top notch. So just in case you want to make party packs, this is like the person to go to. So this is what the party pack looks like. So the things I bought could not really fit into the party pack. So I'll show you guys what the party pack looks like. But first things first, first thing in her bag was a rechargeable fan.
A lone or rechargeable fan. Yeah. Then an umbrella, a pink umbrella.
Yes, a pink umbrella.
Yes, queen.
So yes, queen. Hairbrush. So this hairbrush, I don't even know why I bought it for them. It was supposed to be for their moms, but
some people have no.
And then their first like pedicure sets for all the kids. Then like pencil organizers, juice, chin chin, sweets, biscuits. Just like those were the things in the party pack. If you haven't watched like her birthday series, that's like pre-birthday, birthday party, all of them, please go to like the previous videos and check them out. What did you think about your birthday party?
I liked it.
What did you like the most about it?
The balloons!
Yeah, the balloons were very nice. The balloon lady did like an amazing job. But everything turned out nice. Guys, you can wish her a happy birthday in this video. This video was highly requested by
moi.
Yeah, she was the one that wanted to do this video. So guys, wish her a happy birthday in the comment section below. I'm sure she would love it and she will probably read all your comments. You want to wear 2 hairbands at the same time?
3 actually.
Let me see.
And then this 2. All the balloons. Bust them on your mark, get set, go. Yes, party is done. It's time to clear everywhere. Everything is going, including the rugs. Everything is going. This place is going to be empty. We live in a minimal lifestyle where we don't need furniture. All we need is food and joy, right? No. Yes, that's the lifestyle we're going to be living. Guys, I really have been thinking about this minimal lifestyle living because when this vanity, I don't think it's for me. But my friend placed an order for this beautiful cake for his wife, and so we're going to go deliver it and attend like a quick sharp party.
Are we ready? Okay, yes, we're ready. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. God bless you.
to church. So see you guys.
Bye. See the princess. Turn around, turn around. Wow. With your handband, with your hairband. I need to change this to white. Tell her to change this hairband to white for you.
I cannot change it to white.
Remove your hand from your mouth. So in church, they asked us to write something that we're thankful for on the board, and this is what Riwo wrote. Aww.
Nobody told me to settle down. Late nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about
So we just got this spring this air fryer. So I wanted to test it out by warming these snacks that I bought. Let me see how nice it is. Well, let's try. Your girl has joined the air fryer gang. I loved it. By the time I warmed it up, it was very nice. I'm so happy I finally have an air fryer. Funny enough, I didn't buy this one. It was a gift from someone really nice. It was a gift, but I am so happy that we finally have an air fryer. Now I can be doing air fryer gang and start warming up and cooking amazing things with my air fryer. See the church girls.
I was dancing.
Yeah, if you was dancing in church. Sit down.
I was also dancing. I want to take a pop. I just came back from church and I got these more gifts.
Oh yeah, sure, it's a gift.
So the first one is
Who's that one from?
Mrs. Ajumobi in church.
Okay, who's the other one from?
Pastor Shehu.
Church was inside.
So this one, it's a pencil case, skipping rope, and a stationery set.
Ooh, cute. Very nice. Show us the other
Next
one.
Two wafer bars.
And another skipping rope. So we will got 2 skipping ropes. See, the gifts are getting more plentier and plentiest. And some people said they have not even sent theirs. And a drink. Ooh.
The delight.
Say that delight. Let me see. So this more gifts, more gift bags. At this point, I think we'll start selling gift bags very soon because we have like a number of them. But oh well. Gift for today. Goodbye gifts.
Goodbye. And more are coming, so stay tuned.
See no more. Oh yeah. Shake your body, shake your body, shake your body. But that's not a happy dance. I want to send it to your grandpa. Happy dance, eh? Birthday girl with her big pizza. Can you finish it alone? I bought this big pizza for Riwo. Grandpa bought this big pizza for Riwo. Are you excited?
No, let's open it.
You don't say thank you to Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa. Let me see my grandpa.
Say thank you, Grandpa.
Where's Grandpa?
the